Starting an import and export business can be a rewarding venture, but it requires careful planning and understanding of international trade regulations. Research the market and select a niche. Conduct thorough market research to identify potential products or industries for import and export. Create a business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan outlining your company's goals, target markets, product selection, marketing strategies, financial projections, and organizational structure. Legal requirements and registrations. Register your import and export business as a legal entity in your country and obtain all necessary licenses and permits. Arrange financing. Determine your startup costs, including product sourcing, shipping, and marketing expenses. Comply with import-export regulations. Familiarize yourself with the customs and trade regulations of both your home country and the countries you plan to do business with. Logistics and shipping. Set up a reliable logistics and shipping infrastructure to ensure smooth transportation of goods between countries. Quality control and product testing. Ensure that the products you import and export meet quality and safety standards required in your target markets. Insurance and risk management. Protect your business from potential risks associated with international trade by obtaining appropriate insurance coverage. Marketing and promotion. Develop a strong marketing strategy to promote your import and export business to potential clients in different countries. Be patient and persistent. International trade can be challenging, and it may take time to establish a solid presence in foreign markets. Remember that each country and industry may have specific nuances and regulations, so it's crucial to stay informed and continuously educate yourself about international trade practices. Seeking advice from experienced professionals or mentors in the import and export field can also be highly beneficial for your business's success. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell to get notified.